Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help fix your Toyota Corolla speedometer. First, always begin by checking the simplest things. Locate your fuse box, often under the dash or hood, and inspect the fuses related to your instrument cluster and speedometer. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Next, visually inspect the vehicle speed sensor, or VSS, for any obvious damage or loose connections. Finally, trace the wiring harness for any visible breaks or signs of corrosion. If fuses are good, the VSS is your next focus. Use a multimeter to test its resistance. Consult your car's service manual for the correct values. Also, ensure the VSS is receiving the correct voltage, usually around 5 volts, from the car's electrical system. Sometimes, the problem isn't electrical but mechanical. Inspect the VSS gear, which connects to the transmission, for any signs of wear, damage, or stripped teeth that could prevent accurate readings. If the VSS checks out, the issue might lie within the instrument cluster itself. These can fail and require replacement or repair. Another crucial step is to connect an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to check for any diagnostic trouble codes, or DTC, specifically related to vehicle speed. Finally, consider the engine control unit, or ECU. While less common, a software glitch or internal fault in the ECU could also lead to an inaccurate or non-functional speedometer. While many speedometer issues can be DIY fixes, some problems require professional expertise. If you've gone through these steps and your speedometer is still not working, it's time to consult a certified mechanic. They have specialized diagnostic tools and the experience to pinpoint complex electrical or ECU-related issues accurately. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals that can help you on your financial journey. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.